Welcome to Minor Matter Strength and Conditioning. My name is Oscar and I'll be your host. For previous videos and more progressions, please visit the channel. Start by keeping your feet on the bench. Same thing as before, but this time you're going to go up and go back down. It's going to be a lot more pressure on that muscle, so that muscle has to work more against gravity. Because your feet are on the bench and because you're in the lower ground. You're going to do 15 or you can do 20. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then you would go onto the other side, perform 15, and you can go back to this side, 12, 12, 10, 10. It's a good way of building your core strength. I want you guys to hold it here for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you're doing when you're holding, you're fatiguing that muscle. So that time, when 15 seconds is over and it's time to go up and down, that muscle is already tired. So it has to work a little bit harder. You're overloading that muscle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.